Hello, my name is Craig Molitor. By day, I'm the president of the Fond du Lac Visitors Bureau. However, over the last many months, I have had the privilege, along with several Fond du Lac residents, to serve on the Lakeside Park Exploratory Committee. So was there an aha moment? Well, I can only speak for myself, but I don't think so. We clearly reconfirmed that Lakeside Park is a gift from those that came before us, and we must treat it with extra special care for future generations. Some ideas encouraged more activities along the line of what is currently already being done in the park, such as Art on the Island, and of course, Walleye Weekend. The Lakeside Park Exploratory Committee went to great length to keep our minds open to all ideas, big and small, costly and inexpensive. Some ideas could be swiftly implemented, others may take a generation or more to see come to fruition. Some ideas may never get off the ground, others may make sense as technology and taste quickly evolve. Generally speaking, when brainstorming ideas to forward to the City Council, the committee weighed our ideas against two criteria. One, the overall impact, and two, the ease of implementation. It was the committee's strong desire to put forth both bold ideas and mundane ideas. It is likely some of the suggested initiatives will cause some amount of controversy, and similarly, some ideas will likely be universally embraced. Now what? Well, I believe to a person, the members of the Lakeside Park Exploratory Committee feel that our efforts over the last year were a first step, an important first step, but part of a much larger process. If our efforts can lead to and inform a full-blown master plan for Lakeside Park, the members of the committee can retire our commission knowing we've done our part.